Welcome to my channel Animals World. In today's video we will discussing what things can emotionally hurt your dog. Lack of socialization. Dogs thrive on social interaction and companionship, and a lack of socialization can lead to feelings of isolation, loneliness, and depression. Separation anxiety. Dogs can become emotionally attached to their owners and may experience separation anxiety when left alone for long periods of time. Symptoms of separation anxiety can include destructive behavior, excessive barking, and house soiling. Lack of exercise. Dogs have a lot of energy and need regular exercise to stay physically and mentally healthy. A lack of exercise can lead to boredom, restlessness, and destructive behavior. Neglect. Dogs require proper care, including food, water, shelter, and medical attention. Neglect can cause dogs to feel insecure, anxious, and stressed. Physical or emotional abuse. Dogs that are physically or emotionally abused can suffer from a range of negative emotions, including fear, anxiety, and depression. Loss of a companion. Dogs form strong bonds with other dogs or other pets and may experience grief and sadness when a companion is lost. It's important to remember that dogs are social creatures and need love and affection from their owners. Regular exercise, proper care, and socialization can help keep dogs emotionally happy and healthy. If you notice any signs of emotional distress in your dog, it is always a good idea to consult a veterinarian or animal behaviorist for guidance. Thanks for watching.